Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll delve into the influential factors in oral communication and touch upon some other essential topics. So, let's dive right in. Oral communication is a dynamic process influenced by various factors that shape how our messages are conveyed and received. These factors play a crucial role in determining the effectiveness of our verbal interactions. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Pitch refers to the degree of higher or lower tone in our voice. It adds variation and emphasis to our speech, allowing us to convey emotions, highlight important points, and engage our listeners. Volume, on the other hand, relates to the frequency of sound waves produced when we speak. It determines the loudness or softness of our voice, ensuring that our message is audible and reaches the intended audience. Rate is the speed at which we deliver our words. It influences the pace of our communication and can convey enthusiasm, urgency, or a calm demeanor, depending on the situation and context. Clarity in speech and articulation is vital for effective oral communication. It involves enunciating words clearly, pronouncing them accurately, and using proper vocal techniques, such as proper breathing and voice projection. Now, let's explore a few other important topics related to communication. Mnemonics are memorization techniques that help us remember information by associating it with patterns, acronyms, or other mnemonic devices. They provide a systematic way to retain and recall important details, improving our overall communication skills. Paraphrasing is the act of restating information in our own words after reading or hearing it. It demonstrates active listening, comprehension, and the ability to convey the main points of a message concisely and accurately. When it comes to media, we encounter two distinct categories: synchronous and asynchronous media. Synchronous media refers to real-time communication platforms, such as live TV broadcasts or radio programs. They allow for immediate interaction and engagement, providing a sense of presence and shared experience. In contrast, asynchronous media involves recorded or drafted content that can be consumed at a later time. Examples include pre-recorded videos, newspapers, or any form of communication that is not happening in real time. Convergence is the integration of information and communication technologies, ICT, telecommunication, and media. It brings together various platforms and devices, enabling seamless communication, content sharing, and access to information. Time shift is a characteristic of recorded and broadcast media. It refers to the time gap that exists between the recording and the actual broadcast, allowing for flexibility in when and how we consume media content. And there you have it, some influential factors in oral communication and other essential topics to enhance your understanding of the fascinating world of communication. By considering factors such as pitch, volume, rate, and clarity, and exploring concepts like mnemonics, paraphrasing, synchronous and asynchronous media, convergence, and time shift, we can become more effective communicators in our personal and professional lives.